In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer service. Whether you have a question about an order, a payment issue, or something on your account that doesn't look quite right. Knowing how to reach Amazon support quickly can really save you time and frustration. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps on the Amazon website, and I'll also share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website that's correct for your country. Sign into your Amazon account using your usual login details. It's important to be logged in because Amazon will then be able to see your recent orders and account information, which helps the support team assist you more efficiently. Once you're logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You're looking for the foot section, which is that large area with several columns of links. In one of those columns, you'll see a heading that says, "Let us help you." Under this heading, find and click on the link that says Help. This will take you to Amazon's main help and customer service page. Here, you'll see a number of tiles or boxes that group common topics, such as orders, returns, payments, and more. Since we want to reach customer service directly, look for the option that says Something Else and click on that. On the next screen, Amazon may show you a few suggested help topics. To get through to actual support, look for and select the option that says I need more help. This is the key step that opens up the live support choices. After selecting that, you should see two main options, one to start chatting now and another to request a phone call. Each option will show an availability status, usually something like available now if agents are currently online. If it's not available, you may see a different status or a time window instead, so pay attention to that before you choose. If you prefer chatting, you can click Start Chatting Now, and a chat window will open where you can type your questions. If you choose the phone call option, a pop-up will appear asking you to select your country code and enter your mobile number. Double check that your number is correct, then click Call Me Now. Amazon will place an automated call to the number you entered and connect you with a representative. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly reach Amazon customer service whenever you need help.